high school was always structured. Undergrad, even though I kind of picked my own adventure, it was still more structured. Like I had to meet a certain amount of credits, and there's a semester. You have midterms, you have end terms. There was a bit of structure.
Yeah.
But coming to PhD, I had to relearn discipline, because there is nothing is on a semester timeline, nothing is on a monthly timeline.
Right.
You're on your own timeline. So I like to call it a relay marathon. So it's a one marathon followed by another marathon.
Yep.
I'll have some days where I'm doing derivations and writing code to do some finite element simulations or Python simulations. That's a given. But some other days or months at a time, I'll be working in the clean room over in Berk on the other side of campus, where I take some designs that I had simulated or we find an element or Python or whatever, and I'll design lithography masks and actually make the devices that I designed, and that's pretty satisfying.
Yeah.
And then once I'm done with all the fabrication, I'll actually go to the other side of campus and I'll work in a lab. It does have windows.